High above our night sky, a celestial drama unfolds, the total lunar eclipse. Unlike the brief and dazzling solar eclipse, a lunar eclipse takes place slowly, gracefully, and with a mysterious transformation that has fascinated humanity for thousands of years. What is a lunar eclipse? A lunar eclipse happens when the Earth moves directly between the Sun and the Moon, casting its shadow across the lunar surface. During this alignment, the Sun, Earth, and Moon form a nearly straight line. While the Moon normally shines by reflecting sunlight, in a total eclipse it enters Earth's deepest shadow, known as the umbra. Why doesn't the Moon simply vanish? One might expect the Moon to disappear completely in total darkness. But instead, it glows with an eerie, coppery red. This is what we call the blood moon. The science behind the red glow. The secret lies in Earth's atmosphere. As sunlight passes through the thick layer of gases surrounding our planet, the atmosphere bends and filters the light. Shorter wavelengths, like blue and violet, are scattered in all directions. This is the same effect that makes our daytime sky appear blue. Longer wavelengths, the deep reds and oranges, pass through more easily. These rays are refracted, or bent, into Earth's shadow and gently illuminate the Moon's surface. So, during a total lunar eclipse, we are essentially watching all the sunrises and all the sunsets on Earth, projected onto the face of the Moon at once. Why does the color vary? Not every blood moon looks the same. Sometimes the Moon appears a bright copper orange, other times it turns a deep, rusty red or even a dark brown. The difference depends on conditions in Earth's atmosphere. A clear atmosphere allows more red light to pass through, creating a brighter eclipse. But after volcanic eruptions or during times of heavy pollution, ash and dust particles block much of the light, leaving the Moon dim and almost invisible. Cultural significance. Throughout history, blood moons have inspired awe, fear, and wonder. Ancient civilizations often saw them as omens or messages from the gods. Today, we understand the science, yet the sight remains breathtaking, a reminder of our small place in the cosmic dance of Sun, Earth, and Moon. Closing thought. A total lunar eclipse is more than just an astronomical alignment. It is a natural spectacle that connects physics, atmosphere, and human imagination. As the Moon takes on its fiery red cloak, we are reminded that even in Earth's shadow, beauty shines through. High above us, a celestial event captivates our night sky, the total lunar eclipse. This majestic spectacle unfolds slowly, unlike the rapid change of a solar eclipse. So, what exactly is a lunar eclipse? It occurs when Earth aligns between the Sun and the Moon. This positioning casts a shadow across the Moon, creating a breathtaking sight. During this event, all three celestial bodies form a nearly straight line. Now, you may wonder, why doesn't the Moon just disappear? Interestingly, it glows with a striking coppery red instead. This phenomenon is known as the blood moon. But what causes this red glow? The answer lies in Earth's atmosphere. As sunlight filters through the thick gases surrounding our planet, it bends and scatters. Short wavelengths, like blue, disperse while longer wavelengths, such as red and orange, pass through more easily. These rays are refracted into Earth's shadow, casting an ethereal light onto the Moon. When a total lunar eclipse happens, we witness the sunrises and sunsets from around the world projected onto the Moon's surface simultaneously. Why does the color of the Moon vary during these events? The hue can change from a bright copper orange to a deep rusty red or even a dark brown. This depends on the atmospheric conditions. A clear atmosphere allows more red light to shine, making the eclipse appear brighter. In contrast, ash from volcanic eruptions or heavy pollution can block this light, dimming the Moon's glow. The cultural significance of blood moons is profound. Ancient cultures often viewed them as omens or signs from the divine. Even today, the science behind them brings awe, reminding us of our place in the universe. In essence, a total lunar eclipse is not just an astronomical event. It connects physics and human imagination, showcasing beauty even in darkness. As the Moon dons its fiery red cloak, we are reminded of the wonder of our cosmic neighbors. Don't miss this stunning spectacle. Mark your calendars and prepare to gaze skyward when a lunar eclipse next approaches.